Hi friend, in this video I will show you how you can fix slow Google Chrome downloading speed and increase Google Chrome performance. So let's get started. Step 1, search for command prompt. Best match command prompt, right click on it and then click on run as administrator. Click on yes. Now here type command IP config space /flash DNS. This command will flash DNS cache. Once done, close the command prompt. Now second step, open Google Chrome. Now click on three dots. Scroll down till you see settings. Click on settings. On the left hand side, you will see privacy and security. Click on it. Scroll down till you see security. Click on it. Again, scroll down till you see use secure DNS. Make sure this option is enabled and then select Open DNS or Cloudflare DNS. These both DNS servers are good in speed, so select any of them. I am going with Cloudflare. Once done, close the Google Chrome. Now third step, again open Google Chrome. Now this time search for Chrome /flat and then hit enter. Now search for parallel downloading. Best match parallel downloading. Make sure this option or this flag is enabled. Once enabled, click on relaunch. Now the fourth step, again click on three dots. Scroll down till you see settings. Click on settings. Here on the left hand side, scroll down till you see system. Click on it. Now here make sure continue running background app when Google Chrome is closed. Make sure this option is disabled and use graphic acceleration when available is option is enabled. So once done, click on relaunch. In the fifth step again open Google Chrome, click on three dots. This time go to extensions and then click on manage extensions. Now here make sure you have removed all the unwanted extension. Remove all the unwanted extensions from Chrome so that it works better. Once done, you are good to go. If you find my video helpful, then do subscribe, like, comment. Thanks for watching.